sick. Look at this. Nice. What's up, guys? Welcome to GL Motorsport again. It's been a while. We don't upload any videos and any update about us and what's going on here on our shop. We got a brand new project to show you guys. We're gonna need your help to decide where to go. We bought this bike last year during the lockdown. It was a bargain, to be fair with you. It was like 500 quid, so it was really cheap. We got the bike here already dismantled. It's waiting for powder coat. Maybe this week we're gonna send it out to powder coat. There's all the bits here, as you can see. All the bits, swing arm, the engine is here. All the bits we need to make it assemble again. Yeah, guys, we're gonna need your help deciding what to do with this build, because we got two sets of wheels, but we're not sure if we're going to make it look like OEM or a supermoto one. So we got these two sets of wheels. Obviously we're gonna need new tires and stuff, but yeah, we got it here. We got here also brand new plastics, everything new. We got some graphics as well. Basically we got everything to build this bike again, but we're gonna just need your help to decide where to go with this thing, supermoto or MX. Maybe we're gonna make like a survey in our Instagram page or Facebook, whatever we're gonna do. We didn't decide yet what to do with the engine, so we don't know if we're gonna keep it as OEM original one or if we're gonna do some tuning to it. Just let us know what you want to see in our channel. If you want to see something original or if you want something tuned, because we got here some crazy stuff to fit the hit, but we don't know about you if you want to see it or not. We got here a brand new cylinder head. I designed it myself 2 years ago, but I never used it, so it's here sitting for a while. We got this one is removable, so if we want to change it, we just change the inner dome. We got here a massive carburetor as well, 34mm. We got here some V-Force rib cage, V-Force 2, I believe. You see, just to have roughly idea what it looks like compared to the original one. Yeah, we could also upgrade our crankshaft with the forged con rods and upgraded stroke. Yeah, so we don't know yet if we're going ahead to tune it or not. Just let us know what to do with this. We got a new set of graphics to this build as well, brand new one. Just gonna show you guys how it looks like. Looks really sick, this one. We're gonna do it black DTR. Should look really sick with this graphics. Look at that. Nice. Yeah, guys, just give us a follow in our Instagram page. Just make sure you vote there when the survey come out, maybe tomorrow night. I'm gonna make a survey just to decide if we go to the supermoto wheels or MX wheels. And about the engine, we're gonna make a survey as well. We go to OEM looking or tuned one. Just drop a comment if you want. We would like to hear from you guys. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. See you next video.